Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss 20 history questions for competitive exam. So let's start the quiz. First, the Bibi Ka Maqbara is a tomb located in Dash. It was built by Azam Shah, son of Aurangzeb in 1678. Options A. Hyderabad, B. Aurangabad, C. Lucknow, D. Allahabad. Correct answer is B. Aurangabad. The Bibi Ka Maqbara is a tomb located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. It was commissioned by Aurangzeb's son Azam in the memory of his mother Dilras Banu Begum. Second, which one of the following newspaper was launched by Motilal Nehru? Option A. Leader, B. The Independent, C. Hindustan Times, D. National Herald. B. The Independent is the correct answer. Third, who founded the East India Association? Option A. C.R. Das, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Debendranath Tagore, D. V.D. Savarkar. Correct answer is B. Dadabhai Naoroji. The East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866. Fourth, who among the following was the first Bhakti saint to use Hindi for the propagation of his message? Option A. Dadu, B. Kabir, C. Ramananda, D. Tulsidas. The correct answer is C. Ramananda. Fifth, the first Sultan to adopt the principle of measurement of cultivable land for determining the land revenue was option A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, B. Iltutmish, C. Alauddin Khalji, D. Balban. The correct answer is C. Alauddin Khalji. Sixth, UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site Humayun Tomb was constructed by option A. Bega Begum, B. Ruqayya Begum, C. Mehrunnisa, D. Zahanra Begum. So the correct answer is A. Bega Begum. Humayun Tomb is a UNESCO Cultural Heritage Site in India. It has about 150 graves of ruling family in it and is sometimes referred as the necropolis of Mughal dynasty. Mughal Emperor Humayun died in 1556 and his wife Bega Begum started the construction in 1569 of Humayun Tomb. Question 7. Which of the following Palwa king assumed the title of Vatapikonda after defeating and slaying the great Chalukyan king Pulikesin II? Option A. Narasimha Varman I, B. Mahendra Varman I, C. Parmeshwar Varman I, D. Nandi Varman. The correct answer is A. Narasimha Varman I. 8th, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer is D. Champaran movement year is 1917. Chauri Chaura incident in 1922. Khilafat movement in 1990. First round table conference in 1930. So the correct option is D. Question 9th. During India's freedom struggle, which one of the following led to the first All India Hartal? Option A. Protest against Rowlatt Act, B. Protest against Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, C. Trial of Mahatma Gandhi, D. Arrival of Simon Commission. The correct answer is Protest against Rowlatt Act. 10th. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj. This is correct. B. Dr. N.E. Besant was a theosophist. This is also correct. C. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gandhinagar. No, Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. So this is wrong. D. Sir C.V. Raman started his life as an assistant. This is correct. So the correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. 11th. In which city of South Africa was Mahatma Gandhi beaten up and thrown off the pavement by the white people? Option A. Cape Town, B. Transvaal, C. Port Elizabeth, D. Pietermaritzburg. The correct answer is D. Pietermaritzburg. 12th, the Veda which deals with the ritual is known as A. Rig Veda, B. Yajur Veda, C. Sam Veda, D. Athar Veda. The correct answer is B. Yajur Veda. The Veda which deals with the ritual is known as Yajur Veda. Rig Veda is the collection of hymns. 13. Indus Valley Civilization was a dash age civilization. Option A. Silver, B. Tin, C. Gold, D. Bronze. The correct answer is D. Bronze. Indus Valley Civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. 14. Which among the following was also known as Bando-Bas system? Option A. Zapti, B. Paruk, C. Nazak, D. Kankut. The correct answer is A. Zapti. Akbar introduced the Dhasala or Zapti system of land revenue collection in 1580 to 1582 to alleviate the problems arising due to fixing prices every year and doing settlements of revenue of previous year. 15. Who gave Gandhi the title Mahatma? Option A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. B.G. Tilak, C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. The title of Mahatma was bestowed on Gandhi ji by Rabindranath Tagore. 16. The Rig Vedic period, the most important functionary after the king was. Answer is A. Purohita. Purohita is official title in Vedic times for priests. Priests of the Vedic religion are officiants for ritual and sacrifices. 17. The tax which the kings used to collect from the people in the Vedic period was called. Option A. Kara, B. Varman, C. Bali, D. Vidata. The correct answer is C. Bali. 18. Who among the following did not attend the first round table conference? A. M.K. Gandhi, B. Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru, C. Dr. Ambedkar, D. C.V. Chintaman. Correct answer is M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi attended second round table conference, first round table conference attended by B.R. Ambedkar, Tej Bahadur Sapru, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, etc. 19. Where did Rig Vedic Aryans live in India? A. Northern India, B. All over India, C. Eastern part of India, D. Sapta Sindhu area. The correct answer is D. Sapta Sindhu area. 20. Which of the following river does not find frequent mention in Rig Vedic hymns? A. Ganges, B. Sindhu, C. Brahmaputra, D. Saraswati. The correct answer is C. Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river is not mentioned in Rig Vedic hymns.